Start by cutting up some ginger. Take note that the chicken has already been seasoned with pepper and salt, but adding some more won't hurt the marinade. Make sure to include the inside. Now it's time to put the sliced ginger inside the chicken. Next, put in a few pieces of star anise, or in Bisaya we call it sangke. Next up is the soy sauce, which is one of the most important ingredients for our recipe today. Make sure to massage the chicken for better absorption, and add some more soy sauce to ensure better taste. Marinade overnight. Before sleeping at night, make sure to turn the chicken to the other side. Put the chicken and the marinade sauce in a pan, then add some water. Put the pan on high heat. Add some more star anise and ginger. Adding in lemongrass can make our dish smell really good. Cover the pan with a lid and wait for the chicken to boil. When the chicken's scum is out, don't forget to scoop it up. Add some sugar to balance out the soy sauce. The whole chicken in soy sauce is now cooked and ready to serve. Wait! There's more! Using the leftover chicken sauce, Put in the ground pork and the vegetables of your choice from the hardest to the easiest to cook. Just add a tiny bit of salt and pepper. This is our version of mixed veggies in soy sauce.